Interview example number 1.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Good morning. Thank you.
Are you nervous?
Yes, a little. This is my first interview.
Don't worry, just relax. What's your name?
My name is Maria.
How old are you, Maria?
I'm 22 years old.
Tell me about yourself.
Well, I just graduated. I studied business. I don't have much experience yet.
Why do you want this job?
I want to learn and start my career. Your company seems really good.
What are your strengths?
I'm hardworking, and I learn fast, I think.
What's your weakness?
I get nervous sometimes like now, but I'm trying to improve.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. What will I do every day?
You'll help with customer service and basic office tasks.
That sounds good. Can I learn from other employees?
Of course, we train all new workers.
Thank you. When will I know your decision?
We'll call you next week.
Okay, thank you for this chance.
You did well for your first interview. Good luck.
Really? Thank you so much. Interview example number 2. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Olivia. I'm the head of this company.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. How did you find out about this job?
I saw a post on LinkedIn.
Tell me something about yourself.
I'm from New York. I have an MBA from Stanford University. I graduated in 2019. I'm currently working as a marketing specialist.
Where are you currently working?
I'm working at Blue Sky Marketing Agency.
What is your role there?
I lead the digital campaigns and support my team with client strategies. I also analyze market trends.
How long have you been working there?
I've been working there for 3 years.
Why do you want to leave your current job?
I'm ready for new challenges and want to grow in a larger company.
What are your qualifications?
I have an MBA degree and a certificate in digital marketing.
May I see your CV?
Here you go.
Excellent. You scored A+ in most of your courses. What are your strengths?
I'm creative, focused, and very adaptable. I'm also good at teamwork.
How many words can you type in a minute?
I can type 55 words per minute.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I take on too many tasks at once. I'm learning to delegate better.
What's your biggest weakness?
I get nervous when I speak in front of large crowds.
That's something you can improve with time. How do you manage situations when you have a lot of work?
I set clear priorities, make to-do lists, and stay focused. I sometimes work late to finish important tasks.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I see myself as a senior manager here, leading a strong marketing team and launching global campaigns.
Your background is impressive. You have experience and a positive attitude. I think you're the right person for this job.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll do my best.
Congratulations! You got the job.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions about the job?
Yes, I have a few questions. May I ask?
Of course.
Is the job full-time or part-time?
It's a full-time position.
What are the working hours?
Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. That's 40 hours a week.
What's the salary?
$9,500 a month.
That sounds great. Are there any benefits?
Yes, we provide health insurance, yearly bonuses, and paid vacations.
That's perfect. When can I start?
When will you be ready to join?
I need 2 days to wrap things up at my current job.
No problem. Be here before 8:30 a.m. on your first day.
Absolutely. I'll be on time.
See you soon.
Looking forward to it, ma'am.
Interview example number 3.
Hello.
Hello.
Why are you here?
I came here to apply for a job position.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How did you find out about this job?
I found it on a job search website.
Where are you currently working?
I am between jobs at the moment.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because it matches my skills and interests perfectly.
What are your strengths?
I am reliable and good at solving problems quickly.
What is your biggest weakness?
My weakness is that I am shy, but I am getting better at speaking up.
How do you handle stress?
I handle stress by taking breaks and focusing on one thing at a time.
Can you give an example of a challenge you faced?
I had to learn new software quickly, so I watched tutorials and practiced daily.
Why did you leave your last job?
I left because I wanted to learn new skills and advance my career.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I want to be an expert in my field and help train others.
How do you work with others?
I communicate clearly and always try to help my teammates when needed.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I work better when I have deadlines and important tasks to complete.
What motivates you?
I am motivated by helping customers and seeing positive results from my work.
How do you prioritize your work?
I write down all my tasks and do the urgent ones first.
Do you have experience in this field?
Yes, I have been working in this area for about 3 years.
How do you handle feedback?
I welcome feedback because it helps me learn and become better at my job.
Can you solve problems?
Yes, I like to analyze problems carefully and find the best solution possible.
What do you know about our company?
I know your company has an excellent reputation and treats employees very well.
How do you stay organized?
I keep a daily schedule and use apps to remind me of important meetings.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am dedicated and always give my best effort.
Are you willing to travel for this job?
Yes, I enjoy traveling and meeting people from different places.
Are you okay with working long hours?
Yes, I can work extra hours when the company needs me to.
How do you deal with difficult people?
I listen carefully and try to find common ground to solve any disagreements.
Can you work with little supervision?
Yes, I am self-motivated and can complete my work without constant guidance.
What are your career goals?
My goal is to become a leader and make a positive impact in this industry.
How do you learn new skills?
I watch online videos and ask experienced colleagues to teach me new things.
What is your ideal work environment?
I prefer a friendly workplace where everyone respects each other and collaborates well.
How do you stay motivated?
I celebrate small victories and remember why I chose this career path.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like cooking and spending time with my family and friends.
Do you have any questions about the job?
Yes, I have some questions. May I ask them?
Sure. What would you like to know?
I would like to know about the daily responsibilities of this position. Are there opportunities to learn and develop new skills here?
Yes, there are opportunities for advancement.
Will there be training provided for new team members?
Yes, we provide training for new employees. Can you work with different teams?
Yes, I enjoy working with people from different departments and backgrounds.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I believe you have answered all my questions thoroughly.
I think you are the right person for this job.
I promise to work hard and contribute to the company's success.
Congratulations, you got this job.
Thank you very much. I am really excited about this opportunity.
Do you have some questions about this job?
Yes, I have a few practical questions. May I ask?
Sure.
Is this position full-time or part-time?
This is a full-time job.
What are the working hours?
Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
What is the monthly salary for this position?
$25,000 a month.
That sounds excellent.
When can you start working?
I can start working tomorrow if you need me to.
I will be waiting for you. You have to be here before 8 a.m.
Perfect. I am always on time for work.
Then see you again.
Thank you again, sir. See you tomorrow.